Welcome back to Supreme Luxury, where innovation meets pure automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing hypercars ever created, the 2026 Czinger 21C. This is not just a car, it's a revolution on wheels, combining cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, and jaw-dropping performance in a way the world has never seen before. The first thing that grabs your attention is its extraordinary design. The 2026 Czinger 21C looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, with an aggressive aerodynamic body that is both beautiful and brutally functional. Every curve, every vent, and every surface is engineered to maximize airflow and downforce. The low-slung stance, sharp LED lighting, and fighter jet-inspired canopy make it stand out from every other hypercar on the road. This isn't just designed for style, it's designed for ultimate speed. What truly sets the Czinger 21C apart is how it's built. Unlike traditional cars, this hypercar uses advanced 3D printing technology and AI-driven design processes. The result is a lightweight, yet incredibly strong structure that pushes the boundaries of modern engineering. This innovative manufacturing method not only reduces weight, but also allows for complex shapes that were previously impossible to create. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where the 21C becomes absolutely insane. Under the hood, you'll find a hybrid powertrain that combines a higher-revving V8 engine with powerful electric motors. Together, they produce a staggering output of over 1,200 horsepower. That means this machine can rocket from 0 to 100 km/h in under 2 seconds, delivering acceleration that feels almost unreal. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, while the lightweight construction enhances agility and speed. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Czinger 21C is built for the track, with precision handling and advanced aerodynamics that keep it glued to the road at extreme speeds. It's a driver-focused machine designed to deliver an unforgettable experience every time you get behind the wheel. Step inside, and the interior is just as unique as the exterior. The tandem seating layout, with the driver sitting in front and the passenger directly behind, creates a cockpit-like experience similar to a fighter jet. Premium materials, minimalist controls, and advanced digital displays make the cabin feel futuristic yet luxurious. The 2026 Czinger 21C isn't just another hypercar. It's a glimpse into the future of automotive design and engineering. It proves that with innovation and bold thinking, the limits of performance can always be pushed further. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Supreme Luxury for more incredible automotive content.